My dear friend, very good evening. We will now discuss about the theology of the Islam. The theology of Islam is a one-way traffic. If hates, Islam propagated the hates against the non-Muslims, the kafir, there is no problem to any mullah, any Islamic clerics or the Maulana. But if you are disclosing the real facts of the Islam and the real life of the Islam, that is the Prophet Muhammad and his ideology, his theology, and his verses, which were so called sent down by the Jibril, the angel from the Allah. Though this was not the angel, this was the Satan, because Jibril is the only hypothesis which sent down so many verses against the humanity in the name of the Allah. Rather, we can say the Prophet Muhammad sent down his own many verses of the Quran by his own choice to deteriorate the whole humanity, human values, and to kill all the enemies in the name of the Kafirs or the non-Muslims. Though all the Jews and the Christians were killed by so-called Prophet Muhammad, was not were not his enemy, but they are the good people. They are living with, they are earning, they were earning their livelihood with the hard toil or the with hard working. But Prophet Muhammad was so lazy that he devastated the business of Khalida bin Khuwailid, his first Christian wife. And when the Khadija bin Khuwailid married with the so-called Prophet Muhammad, Muhammad destructed her business, devastated her wealth due to this violent ideology of Islam. The base of Islam is only the hate against the non-Muslims or who were not the followers of so-called Prophet Muhammad. Because followers of the Prophet Muhammad known as the Muslims. But those time of the people when the Muhammad was alive, they denied or they refute the adopt the ideology which was propagated by so-called Prophet Muhammad, which was the looting or the robbery, rapes with the non-Muslim women after robbed them in the war. They say the some Maulana or Islamic clerics clarified that those women who came to fight war with Muhammad not kidnap them, but Muhammad married so many women who were the widows. But who was the culprit or who was the criminal who killed the fathers, husbands, and the brothers of that lady? Certainly, that was the so called Prophet Muhammad. If the lady, if the women were widows only due to the cruelty of so-called Prophet Muhammad and his ideology that is known as Islam. Base of the Islam is only totally based on the hate or intense hate, because the Prophet Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad, was a frustrated person who never found love from his mother, that is Amina B, because Amina B sent him to her slave, that is Halima. And after the death of his mother, his father, Muhammad was born after the death of his father, and when his mother was died, he went to Abu Talib and Abu Muttalib, that is uncle and grandfather respectively. But Prophet Muhammad was so frustrated that he tried to kill so many Jews and the Christians on the basis of that they didn't believe or do not believe in the Islam or the Quranic ideology, because Muhammad was a false prophet. He told so many fairy tales or fables to the Meccan's people when he told that he went to meet the Allah on the Burak animal is was a totally falsehood. And so many people who were converted into Islam reconverted to the Judaism or the Christianity. So Islam is a one-way traffic. Islam always denied the respect to the non-Muslims or the kafir, even in Islam in the Quranic verses. In so many verses, this had been written that the all non-Muslims are the filthy, just like a stool or the uh, stool or excreta of the men, and all the women which are non-Muslim women can be enslaved, can be sold, can be sold in the market, as the Prophet Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad, sold so many women of the Jewish tribe Banu Qurayza in the market of the Nazad. After kidnapping them, after raping them, and all the Muhammad and his followers always looted the woman or robbed the woman only for fulfill their lust. So many hadiths it has been described. You see, it has been described that the many companions of the Muhammad Sahib asked to the Muhammad that we are alone for since long time, since 3 or 4 months, because the Prophet Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad and his followers were engaged in the robbery of the caravans of the business caravans of the Jewish people which were living in the Mecca, and on the way of Mecca to the Syria, Damascus, the capital of the Syria. The route was from the Medina, and in the outskirt of Medina, Prophet Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad and his followers looted so many caravans of the Abu Sufyan, who was the cousin of the Prophet Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad. So, Islam has full power to loot or to kill the non-Muslims. But if any non-Muslim can kill, try to kill the Muslim in the revenge, they say this is Islamophobia. No, this is not Islamophobia. This is the resentment of the non-Muslims of throughout the world. The European peoples are so, uh, I think they are so foolish or stupid, not all, or they are so innocent that they could not understand the reality of the Islam. This is why in the European country, especially in France and United Kingdom, is the hell for living the even the white people or ethnic people or the indigenous people of the Europe. Even in the United States of America, there is so many rallies and procession by the Muslims. Even in the Canada, the Sikh terrorist who belongs to Khalistan organized so many processions and rally against the white peoples or ethnic people of the Canada and United States of America, that these all white people must be expelled from the United States of America and Canada, because they are not the indigenous people, they are migrant from the European country. So this such type of a situation only due to the stupidity or the foolishness of the so-called liberals throughout the world. And this is why the Islamic people and the Islamic terrorists are overwhelming or overpower the non-Muslims throughout the world. Only the 19% population of the Muslim, they have so dare to kill even the Hindus in the India, where there is a 120 crores Hindu in India. And even the Sweden, the only 2% are Muslims. A Muslim can kill the Swedish people without any hesitation. This is our weakness. Certainly, we have to fight this idiotic and stupidity of which was propagated by so-called Prophet Muhammad or the Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Muhammad was not a prophet. He is certainly a goon who killed so many Jews. He raped the Safiya bin Huya after killing her husband and her father. After killing her father and her husband, he slept with her in the same night. What is the shamelessness of these peoples who are following the Islam or who are following the Prophet Muhammad as a prophet? This you can think what is the mindset of these peoples who are following the prophet as a kind-hearted person. The prophet, such type of prophet cannot be a good person at all. So Islam is only one-way traffic. Islam has full power to against the non-Muslims. We but he regists against the Islamic doctrine or Islamic violence, then these people are saying that this is the Islamophobia. No, this is not Islamophobia. This is reality. Islam is dangerous to the society, dangerous to the human values, even dangerous to the non-Muslims, even dangerous to the Muslims. So please, my Muslim brethren, leave the Islam and be the human. If you are a true Muslim, you cannot be a good human. If you are a good human, you cannot be a good Muslim, because these direction, the Muslims and the non-Muslim direction opposite to each other. Where the non-Muslims are pro humanity or human values, the exact Muslim who is certainly a perfect Muslim is totally against the humanity and the human values. So thank you very much. See you again. Please subscribe my channel, put the bell icon so you get notification well in time. Thank you very much. Good night.